Containek's Transpak cabins are delivered in packages. 4 packages equal the external dimensions of an assembled cabin. Up to 8 Transpak cabins can be transported cost-effectively on a truck. The cabins can be offloaded either by crane or by forklift. Please follow the Containex handling instructions. Level out uneven spots and put the cabin in a level position. After unscrewing the transport protection from the covers and from the center, the roof frame is lifted with a crane or a forklift with a lifting device. Now the transport protection is removed. All components necessary for assembly can be found inside the Transpak cabin. All components are placed alongside the cabin. Now the corner posts with the short nose down are positioned into the floor frame and fixed with the nuts from the transport protection. Silicone is applied to the top end of the corner posts. The roof frame is put into place. The corner posts are firmly bolted to the roof and floor frames in the same way. The elastic seals are stuck on the inside edge of the corner posts. The cabin frame is now fully erected and the panels can be put in. Door, window, sanitary window panels, as well as full panels can be positioned to your liking. The protection foil can now be peeled off. The panel sides next to the corner posts are fitted with distance screws, which have to be assembled first. Always start with both short ends of the cabin. The floor holding device of the panel and the panel linkage function on the basis of a tongue and groove system. The first panel at the short end is now being pushed up against the corner post with the distance screws and fixed with fastening clips. The second panel is put in and pushed against the first one. Both panels are centered by using the distance screws. The hollow spaces next to the corner posts are filled with insulation material. As soon as both short ends are finished, continue to fit the panels on the long side in the correct order. To increase stability, tension rods are put in the positions provided. The last panel is fitted with distance screws, the same procedure as on the short side. Now the screws on the fastening clips of each panel are being tightened and the tension rods are tightened slightly. The electrical connection can now be established. To avoid mixing up cables, special plug-in connections are provided. All electrical installations meet the current national regulations. The hollow spaces in the roof are filled with insulation material and the vapor seal is placed on the inside of the panel in order to obtain better thermal insulation. The cover trims are fitted. The skirting boards can also be used to cover telephone cables. The neon tubes and the plastic light cover are now being fitted. The cover plate is put into place and the door drip is mounted over the door. Your cabin is now ready for use.